Welcome. Today I am with IKEA Symfonisk picture frame speaker, and I would like to show you how you can remove or activate this LED icon that you can find in this place. Currently it's turned off so we can see it, but let me show you how to get it. So I'm gonna grab the phone like that. We have to open the Sonos application, tap on the settings icon, tap on the system, pick our room and our device Symfonisk picture frame. Then we have to go for the status light and take a look right here. I'm gonna tap to turn it on, and right now LED lights up. To turn it off, just click one more time. As you can see, that's how it works. I'm gonna leave this icon turns on. And yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.